look at that. Boy, that's rough. Wind's blowing about 17, 18 miles an hour. I think it's getting probably gusts close to 20. And it's about 42 degrees, so just imagine how cold that's going to be with that wind. But I got a guy from Louisiana, Mr. Glenn. We're going to put in today and see if we can't find a few redfish. Going to try to find spots where this wind and stuff ain't so bad. But anyway, we're going to get after it with live shrimp, popping corks, and some artificial bait, voodoo shrimp, and the matrix shad.
I was hoping I would have gotten to throw my top water.
Yeah, water fishing than this. Man, it's 3 foot waves out yonder. We gonna maybe 100 foot. It's rough. Boy, look at that. What a mess. I seen the swirl.
Right there?
Yeah. Your fish. Yeah.
There was another fish like right there.
I ain't got the pulling right there, boy. Is that another 15 incher? 16? How come they can't be 2 more inches longer? That's a good fish though. That's a fighter right there. I think he's gonna be about 16 and a half, 17. If he makes 18, that'd be awesome. Huh. Popping corks with that, and we tore them up. I got a red. I had to make sure it was a red, not a black drum. I'm surprised. He hit while you was looking at the fish, wasn't he?
I was looking at it.
Man, he's pulling, ain't he? He ain't coming up. He ain't stingray, is he? Where's he at?
Might be just kind of coming this way now.
Staying down? That ain't good. Yeah, he's in my line. No, he's not. No, that's a red. That's weird. He stayed down like them stingray. Well, I better not say that on video. That's pulling, ain't it? He's staying up. Got to be another red. Oh my goodness! I just missed out on mine. That's pretty. About a 14 incher. I just got one. I got something. I bet it ain't a stingray this time. I think it's a black drum. It is. Another black drum. I say you throw right, you catch red. You throw left, you catch black drum. I'm telling you, this is a big fish. He's gonna make a liar out of me, probably. What is up with these stingrays? You got a fish on?
I don't know. If I got a stingray, we might need to reload.
Oh my God, 3 stingrays, man. What's up with that? Well, you're staying up like a real fish. Is that another good blunt? That's another good black. That's a red. Red and a stingray. Look at that pretty blue tail on that one. Look at that, man. That is beautiful. Hooked up? Do I need to reel up? Get mine out of the way. He's fighting, ain't he? Where's he going? He's going away from us, ain't he? Man, was that the swirl right there? Golly, that's like I was fighting. Oh, that's a nice black drum right there. Nice one. We have found the stingrays. God doggone, that's a big one there. You caught him in the mouth, didn't you? Tell you what, let me hold on just a second. I'll get him for you. I'll take him and grab his towel on his tail. That way he can't do nothing. That's a big one. What is that, a lunch? It's lunch. Damn, we got a double again. I know one thing, my rig must be set up for black drum. This is a keeper. This is a keeper. God. No, this is staying down like a truck. I hope it ain't a cell cat. Stingray. Nah. That's not cool.
You ever eat one?
No, but I keep saying I'm gonna try to eat one day, but this is not the day. Top of the water.
I'm about to be in the water.
That's pulling right there, ain't it? I think. All right. Boy, sometimes they make it. God, don't get. I missed again. They got me figured out, don't they? All right. I may have a. Oh, I don't know. That may be a red. Well, I'm catching the food anyway. A little black drum. Well, you talked him into it, didn't you? Hey, you got you a fighter, don't you? Man, maybe I need to say that. Shrimp on the bottom. That's red there, ain't it? Look how, oh, that's got a pretty color right there. Got that nice purple color. Blue tail. Some more lunch. Another black drum. That reef must extend all the way out there. God dang! You got one?
He's 18.
Yeah, whatever you got, big, ain't it?
Bigger than that one.
Yeah, well, that's the story of my life. That's a good fish right there, man. Is that a netter? Yeah, he may be legal. Get the measuring tape on him. I think that's a solid 18. That's another double, my friend. Hold him up. He's 16, 17. Nah, I don't think so. He's just a good little fighter. Oh, good little lunch. All right. All right. I guess these songbirds are anywhere out here today. I don't know. That may be a little red. Dang, he hit hard. No, no, that's a black drum. Way out there. You might have had a giant black drum a while ago. Man, he hit like a red. Can you tell any size to him?
Seems like it.
I need to reel up. Get this one out of the way. Oh man, he ain't very big, but look at the spots on him. Pretty nice red. That's songun's. What is that? No, it's a black drum. That's a sheep head. A sheep head out in the middle of the water. On bottom. That's the first for me right there. Yeah, I guess so. He's down there on that oyster bed. Look at that. Pretty little sheep head. Man, I got my camera all funked out. Not legal though. He's got to be 14 inches. A year ago, this.
Really set the bar, huh?
Yeah, a year ago, this was a legal fish. But that's a cool looking fish. But them things right there will hurt you like hypodermic needles. We'll throw him back. A little bit better red. Not quite a keeper, but that's not bad right there. I can catch them all day long. That size, they fight. He's about, what, 15 inches? He almost legal in Louisiana. You got him? Uh-oh. Got a double going here, don't we? that, a drum? Oh, that's lunch right there. These sun guns are hitting so freaking hard. Where's the big ones at to hit like this? He like to got my rod in, didn't he? Look at the birds coming. They ain't gonna show us nothing, are they? But another nice little red. There you go. One spider. He's on. Looks like a, was that a black drum? Was that a little red? I thought speckled trout at first, but another little red off the bottom. See if we can't get that shrimp back out of it. Look at there. Got the shrimp out.